browser. Okay, so we're gonna go here. So we're gonna click here. This is what we need. Okay, we're gonna download this. Okay, so when we here, we're gonna come here. Okay, because we use I'm gonna use Windows for you guys. In case you use a Mac or Linux, is different. It's a different one. Okay, but I'm gonna use this for Windows. Okay, we click here. So if you wanna see, in case you don't see it, this is the one I'm downloading it. This one. Okay. So it's right here. Okay, this is the one. So we're gonna click on it, double click on it. Okay, so o cliquer na yango des fois, o cliquer o mona ngo ke ya yango yo o cliquer nango o sa ni loko mongo te. Okay, o ya plus ba komi next o cliquer nango ko toucher loko mongo te. Okay, apo lobby yes. Okay, cliquer wana yes, install ulandika ndenge nazo sala. Like guys, just follow the way I did, you should be good. Okay, see here, finish. Okay, so I really have the virtual machine here. I really the one I used before. So here, what we're gonna do here, okay, if you're doing the first time, okay, you see here this one, you click on this. Okay, you click on this one, especially when we install Kali, one of the next course based on Linux. Okay, make sure you include this. Okay, but I'm gonna show you guys how to do it when we do Linux together. Okay, so in this one, you see this one, you click on it. Okay, this install. Okay, you're gonna see it. Okay, this you're gonna need this one. Okay, this. Okay, so when this one is done, I'm just gonna put here inside here, just gonna save it, put there. Now what we're gonna do next, we're gonna open our virtual machine. Okay, so this one I'm gonna put the link for you guys. I'm gonna save this for you guys. Okay, so we don't need this for now. So we're gonna open our VirtualBox, and then from here we're gonna go to new, or we can go here, new. Okay, in here we don't need to touch anything. We can click on new here or here. Okay, when we go there, we're gonna name our machine Windows 10. Okay, Windows 10. Okay, and then next, here we don't need to touch anything for now. We're just gonna leave it the way it is. Next, we're just gonna leave the way it is. Next, finish. Okay, now guys, when we're here, we're gonna go to setting. Okay, on setting, we don't have to go all of the things here, no. Okay, because I have another course I'm gonna teach you after. Okay, so from here we look at the system. If we want to increase the memory, base memory, we can go a little bit up here. Should be good enough. Okay, and then for the processor CPU, we can maybe go, let's say 2 is good enough. Here we're gonna leave the way it is. Here we don't need to touch anything. Okay, here now guys, I'm gonna use CD for this. I know overseas a lot of people still use the CD. They don't have type of technology we have in North America. They don't have it, or we have in Europe, or like South America, Africa, or some part of Asia. They still use the CD. Okay, so to make it life easier for them, I have a CD, right? And then I also have a ISO image, but I want to show them how to use the CD. Okay, so when we go here, we're gonna click here. Okay, we click here, okay, since I'm using CD, we're gonna go here. But if I'm using the ISO file, I'm gonna go here, right, and click on this Windows 10, but I'm not gonna use this. Okay, I'm gonna use the CD. You don't need to click here. No, you're not clicking there. You click if I need the ISO, this one, I could click on here, but in this case I'm not using that. So when you here, you click here. Okay, so I'm gonna go back. Okay, we don't need to do anything here because I really did nothing. We don't need to touch anything here because I really we leave the way it is. For here storage, we're gonna go here, we click there. Right here we're gonna go in DVD. Okay, now for the here we don't need to touch anything. Network, we don't need to use bridge. Okay, we're not gonna use it. We're just gonna leave the way it is. Okay, we don't need to touch anything here. We click OK. All right, now we're gonna start our machine. Okay, so it's gonna take a little bit of time, but guys, be patient with me. Okay, so here we're gonna click here, we're gonna click on here. It's on 10, right? So I mean 100, right? When you here to make the image a little bit bigger, okay, to make the image a little bit bigger, you see, you come here is on 100. We leave the way it is, and then we go here. Sometimes you can, some people they can click on here, but no, just click this one, and then you see here you can go back in the window mode at any time by pressing host C. Okay, in your keyboard you're gonna see host C. Okay, or this is what they put like this. Okay, and then we're gonna click here. Okay, because I want to make this a little bit bigger. So here we're gonna go, we're gonna leave the way it is. US English, US English. Here we leave the way it is. If you live in Africa or in different country, you choose the language. Okay, but in this case we leave the way it is. Okay, if you speak French, you choose French, but we're gonna leave the way it is. Okay, next, here install. Okay, so here we're gonna accept it. Accepted the license term. Next. Okay, we're gonna go on this one on the bottom. Okay, click there. Okay, next. Okay, So you can push any key here in your mouse, like, yeah. So in your mouse you can whatever key you can push should be good. Yeah, just you can push whatever key, or you don't have to push it. Just even leave it. It's just gonna do it automatically itself. Usaona bezwa ku simbe loko moto kukutika nongo ikizibanda ku sana no yango moko. So here we're gonna go here, yes. If you live in for example, a different country, you're gonna put, let's say for example you live in let's say you live in South Africa, you click there. If you live in let's see, if you live in Pakistan, you click there. If you live in North Korea, you click there. If you live in Morocco, you click there. If you live in let's see, if you live in Congo, you click there. Okay, so far na Congo, click our always mboka na bino. Okay, in our case we live US. Okay, yes. Here we leave this one, yes. Here skip. So this part we're gonna skip just for now. Okay, so from this part, if you're setting this for organization, you select here, right? But in my case, we're gonna use this. Okay, and then next. Here we don't need the, we can create an account, or we can use offline. Okay, so we're gonna use offline. Here we're gonna go next. Here in this case we don't have to use we can use an email to get more stuff, for my opinion, right? Using, if you wanna create an email, it's good, or we can use this one. Okay, but let's create an email. Okay, I'm just gonna create email to make life easier in case you don't get it. Okay, but if you don't want that, you can go here off account. Okay, but we're just gonna create an email account. Okay, so we're gonna click here. All right, and here I don't have let's say I don't have an email. Okay, I'm gonna create a new one. Okay, it's called Gilan. Let's see, 2023 gmail.com. Okay, next. Would you like the chief? For this case, it's okay. It's okay. Okay. Next. Oh, okay. Okay. So in this case, we're gonna put some information here. Okay. We have to put it. So here, let's say that my birthday. It's for the way I'm doing this for the lab for you guys to understand. Okay. So okay. So you select here and then you come here. Okay. And then next. Okay. Here put the code. Okay. So let's say for example, uh and you can put something like this. Okay, but in this case I don't need to put the code there. I'm just gonna put skip for now the code. So we're gonna skip that part, right? You don't have to put it. I'm just showing you guys because of the demo, because I want you guys to know how to do it. Okay, we're gonna create a pin here. Okay, so we're gonna create a pin. Okay, so what we're gonna do here, you have to remember this pin. Okay, so oh, if you want to make this a little bit stronger, right? If you want to make this a little bit stronger, we can add this with a letter. Okay, so let's put okay. You click OK. Oh, sorry, sorry. Okay, so just make sure you remember that pin. Uh, no, we don't want this for now. No. No thanks. Accept. Decline. No, we don't want this for now. No. Accepted. So this is what we created. We created Windows 10. So now what we're gonna do here, we're gonna create the admin account, the tenants. That's what I was talking about. Okay, so look, when we come here, okay, we come here, right? This is what we created. We create this machine. This is a different one. This is my host machine. This one is a virtual machine. This is like a guest. So if I want to use the street language, I can say this is like a fake machine. Whatever we do here is not gonna damage here. But if we change some stuff here, in case somebody is hacking us, yes, can damage here. Okay, if we change some stuff here, okay, so we don't need to change anything for now. So right now, when I go here, okay, I'm gonna go to, let's see, you see here, if we tap control panel right there, right, we go there, you see here where it say user account, we click on that, right? From here we can move the account, and from here we can do some changing. Okay, so when we click there, this is what we created. Okay, we create this. When we click on this, we click on side, we can change. You see, this is what I was talking about, admin. Okay, this is what I was talking about. Let's say, for example, I want to change the name. Let's say I want to change the name. Let me go back there. Let me go back. Tab account. Admin. Why stand account? This. Oh, okay. So admin is like a landlord in this case. Okay. Now let's say, for example, we wanna add. Let's come here. We can do from here or here. Let's say, for example, let's go. Let me close this here. Let's say we write user. You see what you see here. Okay. When we click right here, right, from here we have a few stuff here, right? We can create a local user, the question put there. But if we click here, we can add a family member. Here we can add a different person. Let's click here. If we click here, right, here, if you have an account, you can put your email. But in this case, I don't need to do anything here. I'm just gonna leave the way it is, okay, for now. And let's say, for example, I want to add here, I want to add the stand. We're gonna click here, okay, and we're gonna use this one, and we're gonna put one. Here you have to put something easy to remember, okay, something easy. I'm just gonna create something easy. I put something easy here, okay, just something easy for you guys to understand it. Okay, something easier. something easy just to remember, okay? Something easier. So make sure you write this down in case you cannot remember that, okay? Make sure you write this down. And then next, that's the tennis one, okay? We're gonna create another one. I'm just showing you guys for the demo, okay? So okay, this one is the guest tenant, and then we're gonna create another one, okay? Because we're doing for the lab, so this one, so when we close this, right? We close this and we go here, we tap control panel, for example, we click there, we're gonna go here, right? And you see we got the tenants, you see ITMPINDI, this is the ITMPINDI, right? The tenants one, the tenants two, the guests. So ITMPINDI is like he's the one who can control everything's there, right? So if we click on ITMPINDI and we click right there, I mean type here, you see we have ITMPINDI, okay? We also have a standard, you see. So ITMPINDI has more power because ITMPINDI is the one, the one who's like the landlord, and then this one is like is like the tenants, okay? So we're gonna turn our computer off, right? And then I'm gonna show you guys. So when we restart our computer, okay, we're gonna restart our computer. Yeah, I decided to do this around this time because I don't have enough time. So I'm kind of hectic, you know. So So we're gonna log in. Okay, we're gonna put our password now. Take a look. You see, we got Gillen 2023. Okay, we got the tenants. Okay, we got the guest tenants. We got the tenants 1, the tenants 2. So Gillen is like Gillen's like the landlord. Okay, this Gillen's like a landlord. Now Gillen 2023, this email, this one is like a landlord. These 3 are the guests, the tenants. The guest tenants, the tenants 1, the tenants 2. So those 3, they don't have power. If something broke inside of them, they cannot fix it. So let's say we wanna log in here, okay? We're gonna log in this, okay? We're gonna put our password. Okay? So this one we're going inside of a different person, like standard user. This one, okay? So so this is different, okay? So if we go here, we tap control panel, right? We go there, right? And we look at here, you see. So the person who can allow us to do this is the landlord. The landlord is the one. So the landlord has to come with the key, because you see, to continue enter an admin username and password. So in this case, if I can say to continue, enter the landlord username and the password. So this represents the landlord. You see, so I'm gonna put the pin, right? Yes. You see, now the landlord allowed me to do that. Not me, but the landlord. You see what I'm talking about? So now I can inside of there. Now let's say this one is tenants 1, okay? So let's say, for example, we want let's see, let's get out here for now. Let's get out here. Let me on here. I just want to show you guys start. Yeah. So that's how we create them. Okay. So if you have any question, in case you don't understand, please feel free to contact me. It's easy to do it. It's just, at the beginning, it may sound kind of fuzzy when you look at it, but don't panic. Even myself, I didn't know how to do it before, right? So take time. I'm gonna also show you guys next week. You guys gonna learn the different stuff. So the way I prepare this, each Monday you guys have a different video. Tuesday different video. Wednesday I don't put any video on Wednesday. I'm gonna put on Monday, Tuesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay. So So now we're gonna log in as a dim. Okay, I'm just gonna show you guys a few stuff, and then after that we're gonna continue for next course. And then because I want you guys to understand the differences between Windows, Mac, Linux. So we're gonna come here. Now we're gonna sign as a landlord. Okay, as a landlord here, we're gonna sign as a landlord. So this is the landlord. Okay, oyo yaza kukola mukolo lupango wa oyo yaza kukola locataire ye kolo mpango siko nazo kota lokola mukolo lupango. Okay, so I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna put my pin. Okay. So far we learn how to create an account. Okay. So when we come here, we go to update. Okay. So if we click on setting, okay, there's another way we can go on setting. Okay. So look here, we click here, right? This is gonna bring us to the File Explorer. Okay. Now, if you wanna see what's going on, you click there. You see, this is what we got here. Now, if you wanna know what kind of window you are using, right? Now, this is what the space we got. Right? This is what we got here. And if we click on this inside, you're gonna see window, user, program file. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff here, but you don't know about this. You see, here we got the tenants, we got this one, right? We got Gillen. So when we go back here, we go to let's see. If we go back here, we type window security. See, when we click on this, right? We come here, we click on this. I'm gonna show you guys the other stuff after. Okay, I have another course I'm gonna teach you about this. Okay, but for now I'm just gonna leave it. I don't want to show you guys a lot of stuff because I don't want to confuse you guys. Okay, so we're just looking around. Okay, now when we go here, let's go to setting. Now let's go back here. When we come here, we type let's go back in setting. We go here in setting, right? We go here, and then from setting, we wanna know what kind of if we have home, pro, enterprise. So we're gonna click here on system. Okay, when we click on system, you see we have a lot of stuff here, right? A lot of stuff. So here, when we go here where it say about, you click on it, it's gonna show you. You see, this is what we got here. We got let's see, you see, this is what we got. We got Windows 10 Pro. This is the one I was talking about. This is the one. You see, if I have Windows 10 Home, yes, it's gonna be Windows 10 Home. Okay, this is what I did to get there. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. This is what I did in case you don't get it. You come here, you tap setting. Okay, setting. You click on it. Okay, and you go to here, system. You click on system. Okay, from system you go on the bottom. You see here the bottom. Here it say about. You click on it. Okay, and then from here you're gonna see it say Windows 10 Pro. This is the one, in case you wanna find yours. Okay, So, and let's say that we want to go back to if we want to do some updates and secure. So what we have to do, we're gonna come right here. You see here, you click here. All right, we can check the update here. Okay, so there's let's see, check the update to fix it. Come here. In case we want to set up the dates, this, we want to turn them off. Okay, and if we want to change, so this is where we do it. We if you want to do the update, okay, it's right here. Okay, but please watch the other video when I was explain about this. You're gonna understand. Okay, and because of the security, because of the time, I don't have enough time. So the next video, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys more about well, when I prepare them, you guys are gonna see it. So I'm gonna stop here for today. If you have a question for me, please feel free to contact me. Okay, this is how we create the Windows 10 on virtual machine. Okay, inside of this machine, whatever goes wrong here, it's not gonna damage my machine. You see this machine, this we call this host machine. This one is like a guest. Whatever goes wrong here is not gonna affect my machine. This one, you can do whatever you want to do here, but it's not gonna affect here. But you have to be careful. If you do some of the changing, that's gonna allow you to connect to here. In the case of something you being infected, it's gonna also affect this machine. In case if you do some changing there, okay, that's gonna allow you to share the stuff. Okay, but I'm gonna stop here for today. So thank you so much. You guys take care. Bye bye. Thank you.